done feeling ugly, feeling like trash, feeling worthless, feeling stupid, feeling like a waste of time, feeling like a mistake, feeling like a failure. And I'm actually gonna film this correct now. Okay, Brandy? Okay, Brandy? Okay, hi guys. Oh gosh, I look disgusting. I always say that, stop. So you can already probably tell by the title of the video, but I will be dyeing my hair.
Oh, really?
You're probably confused why I have these two pieces. But if you haven't seen my last video where my mom helped me dye my hair, she was able to get these two blonde pieces in the front, and I love them. I adore them so much. I feel like it was the greatest change in my life. But now that I've kind of had them for almost a year, I kind of want to change it up a little bit. So my mom is gonna help me again. I know, I love her so much. I know I'm 20 years old and I should probably be able to do this by myself. But listen, my mom loves to do hair and she does it good.
And that's period.
And she's gonna come in and help me in a little bit. But yeah, if you're interested in how I'm gonna get this look right here, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna go change into something different so I don't get this stained, and I'll be right back with my mom. Okay, bye. Okay, hi, so I already changed into my shirt and my mom's gonna, she
Redo it again.
cut it there.
No, restart it.
I'll just cut it there, okay?
Why are you?
Okay.
I'm not ugly.
No, you're not ugly.
So then what happened?
Do you wanna say hi?
Hi, everyone.
I'm about to beat this bitch up.
My mom's here, she's gonna help me like separate it and kind of figure out where it's gonna dye. And yeah, so we'll see what happens.
Real hot girl shit.
Stand up, honey. There you go.
Like that? Okay.
So right here we're gonna put some
Blonde. So we're gonna add some blonde there and kind of like to help dimension.
Real hot girl shit.
Okay, moment of truth. Here goes the bleach.
Okay, I'm scared. Go.
Yeah, no more.
What happened?
No going back.
Oh, you already put it?
Yeah.
How did it do? I can't see, so I'm like,
So I'm getting kind of like nervous.
I'm pretty sure my hair is done. Cool.
So look, Brandy, look.
Look on the side. I'm just gonna do like the bottom. Okay. We're not gonna go up high. Okay, that's fine.
So what I did is instead of putting one here on the top,
Okay.
what I did is that I put one in the bottom.
Okay.
Really?
You just
Awesome.
Yeah, get into it.
I was like, well, I can also record like this. Period.
We're not gonna get too close.
Wow, it's going crazy. Let it be known that I am not under the influence. Yeah. Okay, so
See?
that was the bleach there, and we're just gonna
We're not gonna
that.
do, yeah.
Not that tight. Oh, no, sorry. So we're just gonna roll that up there, and then we're gonna wait, like you said, 30 minutes.
Yeah, but don't time it yet.
Okay. Okay, so as you can see, we're not going to the root right now, just to kind of, you know, see how it's gonna turn out. Sorry. And it's basically the same process.
What the damn?
10 seconds later.
Okay, so I literally look like I'm on crack cocaine. Is that allowed? Am I allowed to say that? I literally look like I'm a crackhead. I mean, I am one, but like it really looks like I am one now. And what am I saying? Brandy, can you just please speak what you're trying to say and stop stuttering? I'm at this point now where all the pieces are just there, and I'm gonna wait and set a timer for 30 minutes for these two. I mean, for all of them, honestly, but I'm just gonna wait now. So I'll be back when it's time to actually unfold and see what's going on.
6.5 hours later.
Okay guys, so now we kind of waited, but my mom is checking and she's just adding she's just adding a little more so it can get it even stronger. So it depends on your hair how light it is, but if it's pretty dark like mine, then you would probably put in more and more to kind of make sure that it gets that good color. But it all depends on what color you're trying to get. So that's all we're doing now, in case you're wondering. So more of the story, we're just gonna leave them in for another 30. So you could always do that with your hair and kind of check where you want to stop, but for me it turns out it's going to be an hour, and see how that's going. We're going to do that, and then we'll be back in another 30. Okay guys, so it's been over like 2 hours now. We have to wait for this to like load. What the heck? I am a little tired. My mom is too. It's completely dark outside now, so it's 9. I mean, no, we did start a little late, but like the sun was still up when we started, so that's amazing. Anyway, now what we're gonna do is go wash this out in a separate sink. So we're gonna go do that elsewhere, and then I'll be back, and what we're gonna do next is tone. Okay guys, so we washed out the bleach and it turned out like this yellowy sort of blonde. The back turned out like that. So it's like
One eternity later.
so at the moment I'm in a whole different outfit, because what happened was that we had to kind of do the roots, and it's currently burning. We just love, you know, right here, like my hair, like imagine it screaming right now. Yep. Guys, you know what I look like right now? Yeah. My mental capacity cannot take this anymore.